Skin Whitening Homemade Face Scrub. This lemon and sugar face scrub will give you gentle skin whitening through the removal of dead cells and discolorations. As an additional benefit, it will help you get rid of unwanted tans that make your face look darker than the rest of your body. Also, this honey and sugar face scrub can reduce blemishes, dark spots, and melasma. How to make a sugar face scrub at home. Mix 1/2 cup of white sugar and 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder in a medium-sized bowl. Now, add 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 5 drops of lemon essential oil. Whisk up the ingredients to combine them nicely, then transfer into a mason jar. The skin whitening face scrub is ready to use. Wet your face. Take 1 teaspoon of the scrub and gently massage your face with it for 2 minutes. Use it daily or every 2 days. If your skin is very sensitive, avoid the iron mouth area. The benefits of the natural face scrub's ingredients. Use fine or granulated white sugar to avoid the scratching of your skin. Brown sugar is also good. Raw honey naturally whitens the skin and reduces dark spots and pigmentation. Jojoba oil is similar to our skin sebum, and it also helps with skin whitening. It is quite effective for skin discolorations and blemishes, and leaves your skin supple and moisturized. Lemon juice is rich in citric acid, and acts as a natural bleaching agent. Lemon essential oil not only whitens the skin, but also boosts the collagen production, and rejuvenates skin cells. Orange peel powder brightens your skin, and gives the scrub a wonderful aroma.